Well, we are all very glad that you made it back safely.
Did you detect any other craft leaving the Star Cruiser? An escape pod? Another shuttle, maybe? Anything?
I'm sorry, Ratchet. We heard the whole thing over the comlink. You had no choice. Captain Quark died a hero.
Und wir would frolic in the fitness course under the wee hours of the morning.
Captain Quark had so many, wonderful qualities, I just don't know where to begin.
Such as?
Oh, okay, he was really tall, and he had a unique fashion sense, and he had a really big chin with kind of a sort of a, well, you know, a butt shape. Well, you know, I think I've droned on long enough.
I just heard what happened. I wanted to offer my condolences to the team. Quark's loss is a true tragedy. The man was a hero, brave, honest, kind, and humble to the core.
What a load of bullshit.
Captain Quark may be gone, but his indomitable spirit of heroism lives on in each of you. I know the Q-Force will make our fallen captain proud. Carry on, men.
This came in the mail for Quark. It's Chapter 4 of the Quarkvid comic series. He'd want you to have it.
Thanks, Al. You know, this could give us a clue about what Nefarious is going to do next.
What a load of bullshit.
I heard somebody has the latest vid comic in the Quark vs. Nefarious series. Would that somebody hurry up and finish it already?
Shut up. I'm going to see an armor because I'm going to need one. This is the one I want to buy, but damn it, it's very expensive. Oh well. Most probably this will be the armor that I'll stick up until the end of the game. Since I already spent a lot of money on it, now I want to buy some new weapons. No, I have 2 to do. Forgot to do the 3 by the looks of it.
Episode 3, Shadow of the Robot. For 6 days, Captain Quark clung to the ship like the dung of a giant green space bird. Finally, the ship arrived at its destination, a secret robotic laboratory on planet Magmos. Drawing on his mastery of the ancient art of disguise, Quark slipped into the laboratory completely undetected.
Rawr.
Somebody order a pizza?
Quark's plan was flawless, but unbeknownst to our hero, his every move was being watched.
The famous Captain Quark couldn't possibly be this stupid, could he?
Even drooling imbeciles can achieve success in certain fields, sir. Mad science, for example. Shall I have him annihilated, then?
Let him come to us. I'll have a special surprise waiting for him.
Press circle to fire my blaster. Hold down R1 and move the left analog stick for precision aiming.
I just wanted to see if there was any token behind me. Damn it, I only wanted to see if there was something useful for me. Oh, here's the health upgrade. Hmm. 17. Oh shit. Okay, I'm playing like a noob here.
Press circle to fire my blaster. Hold down R1 and move the left analog stick for precision aiming.
Sucker! You fell right into my trap! Lawrence!
Yeah, I think I got something. This thing here makes me remember about Super Mario for some reason. I think there are some fire things like this. I don't know if I somehow missed something up there. Let's hope that I did not. Okay, I'll most probably die. Dude, what the? Wonder if I missed any. Okay, I didn't miss that. Great. Oh no. For a moment I thought I was having a boss battle.
It's over, Nefarious.
Never! I am the greatest genius the galaxy has ever known. You're no match for the likes of me.
That's rich. I used to beat up geeks like you in high school. I'll bet your prom date came in a box that said batteries not included. Say, come to think of it, we've met before, haven't we?
No, no, of course not.
Mr. Buzzell's 9th grade biology class.
I always hated biology.
That's right. You were that freak with the headgear. Remember how you used to clean the chalkboard with your pants while you were still wearing them? Oh, good times.
You were 3 times my size, you stupid hoe.
I was always big for my age.
You were 26.
Say, how about a wedgie for old time's sake? I think it's safe to say we've seen the last of Dr. Nefarious. Time to celebrate another job well done.
But the danger was far from over, for in defeating one menace to the galaxy, Quark had created another, even more terrifying evil.
Okay, time to play the 4th one then.
Episode 4, Deja Q, all over again. After defeating Dr. Nefarious on planet Magmos, Quark returned to his condo in Metropolis for some well-earned R&R.
Oh, Lance, it's time you knew the truth. The baby isn't yours.
What? Who is the father?
Oh, your evil twin brother, Engelbert.
But Janice, I am Engelbert.
Ooh, must be that pizza I ordered.
Guten Tag, Captain Flabby.
Helga, what are you doing here?
Getting you off your lazy butt. You have plumped up like a giant green bratwurst. It is time for the fitness course.
Oh, all right.
Meanwhile, on a rooftop high above the bustling streets of Metropolis.
The hour of my vengeance is at hand. Go now, my robotic servants. Tear this city apart. Bring me the head of Captain Quark!
Okay, there's nothing back there. Just making sure, you know. Going well. Up till now, I think I still didn't miss any token.
A ladder. How do these things work again? Oh, I remember. Just press up or down.
I know there's something this way. Yeah. Just didn't want to commit suicide by any means, so was careful. I also must be careful because I usually always miss one token here, and I think it's worth 10. I must be always looking. Yeah, there it is. I usually miss this one a lot. Managed to survive through that. Jackpot, baby. Damn it, missed. Great, my phone is ringing. But it's my mom, but I'm recording. Oh guys, I'll be right back. I need to stop for a second. So sorry about that, guys. It was my mom calling, like I had said. Okay, so let's continue. Oh, there's a token. But how do I reach it? Okay, did it. Is there something up here? Oh shit, what the hell did I go to? Oh well. Didn't die at least. And right now I have 72 tokens. My tokens are going up pretty well. Oh damn it, I'm not... Ah! $86. $96. Okay, only 2 left. But where's the health upgrade? Did I miss it? Maybe I missed the health upgrade. Damn it! I wasn't counting on it being... Okay, I don't want to commit suicide, but I don't really remember where's the health upgrade. Damn it, I missed the health upgrade. No. Where's the freaking health upgrade? Oh, maybe I think I know. Let's hope that I'm right. Damn it. I think it's that way. Yes. And also I'll go to the Nefarious's boss battle full health, and that's awesome. Oops. Yeah, we're going to fight Nefarious. Not anything that you wouldn't find out by now. See?
It is I, Dr. Nefarious!
You're something different about you. Wait, you tell me. You changed your hair.
Get away. Who's that? Yeah, this takes so long.
Quark! I'll get you for this.
Sorry, what's that, Stumpy?
This isn't over, Quark. I swear, I will return someday to destroy you and bring Metropolis to its knees!
Uh-huh. Just a word of advice, Nefarious. Quit while you're ahead.
And so Quark believed that the threat posed to the galaxy had been ended forever. But... seems the script is missing a few pages.
Thanks, Professor. I'll take it from here. And so ends the greatest tale of courage and heroism ever told. The true story of Captain Quark's triumph over the nefarious supervillain known as, well, Dr. Nefarious.
Okay.
Aren't you gonna unlock Quark's secret costumes? Here, I'll use the cheat codes. Let's see. Up, up, down, down, left, right, circle, square, square. He's in a tutu!
Metropolis! That's where Nefarious is gonna strike first.
Are you sure?
It makes perfect sense. Nefarious tried to destroy Metropolis years ago, but Quark stopped him. Nefarious swore he'd come back and finish the job someday. Now that he has a secret weapon, he's ready to make his move.
Set a course for Metropolis. Let's hope we're not too late.
Funny thing, the cheat code that L says, it really works, and Quark will get in a tutu if you input it. Never tried it in the collection, but in the old games I did try. And it worked. Now time to head into Metropolis.